Hi guys, it's Amy with A2Z Stamping, and let's take a look at the May 2018 Paper Pumpkin Kit. I just got mine in the mail. I'm going to open it up. Looks like we've got a Mossy Meadow ink spot. I love that. This is a brand new color, so that's great. And let's look at the stamp set. Lots of different names. I like this cursive writing, and there's some all capital. So it looks like we have the male relatives: dad, brother, uncle, son, grandpa, husband, friend. We got nephew, I love you for all you do, adventure, you are my, and then we've got happy to you, Father's Day, birthday, anniversary, thank you. Sorry about that. So this will be a great stamp set to have. All right, so let's take a peek in here. All right, the kit is called Manly Moments. Move my box out of the way. It's called Manly Moments, and this is really fun. So it looks like we've got sort of like these mountains and scenery. That one's pretty too with the badges. So it's 10 cards and 10 envelopes. So I'm going to open this up. All right, so we've got a whole bunch of dimensionals here. I love that. Okay, but if we grab this and flip it over, remember on the back, it always tells us everything that comes in your kit, plus the colors that it coordinates with. So crumb cake, gray granite, mint macaron, mossy meadow, Sahara sand, soft sea foam. So it's a lot of the new colors there. I like that. And then the directions are on the inside. So 6 steps to make these 10 cards. All right, and let's take a peek what comes in here. All right, so we've got our 10 envelopes. Looks like 5 in crumb cake, 5 in mint macaron. Pretty. All right, and then all the pieces. And everything you need is in here. You don't need to provide your own adhesive or anything. See, all this stuff just pops right out. These are probably sticker sheets. Yep, they are. You've got your banners and the cards. Super cute. Card bases, so they're full-size cards. I love it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put these together, and I'll be back in a minute. All right, guys, I'm back. You guys, these were such fun little cards to make. So first of all, you have the 10 envelopes, and aren't they cute? They're lined. Super cute, and you can decide which cards go with which. So when you're done, you have 10 cards total. Now, one thing I noticed in this pack that's a little bit different than the usual packs is there aren't any extra pieces. So don't make any mistakes when you make these cards. They're not hard to stamp at all, but just make sure you do them correctly. So some of mine, I wasn't paying super good attention or close attention, so you can see like my thank yous a little low. There's a long story anyway, so just pay attention because you don't have any extra badges, there's no extra tags, there's no extra mountains, anything. But it's kind of nice that we use up all of the supplies. So anyway, you have 10 full-size cards when you're done. So I did a different sentiment on each set. So this one was thank you for all you do. Really cute. And isn't this so pretty? You use the dimensionals to put the mountains. I like that. I think it looks really good. I did 2 sets of happy birthday to you because I didn't actually do the happy Father's Day because I already have Father's Day cards for this year, so I didn't need those. I did a happy anniversary to you in each one. It's kind of nice to have masculine cards, you know, because you don't necessarily always want to give, you know, real frilly. And then for the last one I did, you are my favorite adventure, which is kind of cute too. So anyway, I like how these turned out, and if you've been needing masculine cards, this set is perfect. So if you want to get your hands on this set, you can't get you can't subscribe to Paper Pumpkin after a kit's already come out. But one nice thing about being a Paper Pumpkin subscriber is you can buy the refill kits for any past kits, and also a lot of times they will add full kits of past kits, and you can buy those, but you can only do it if you're a Paper Pumpkin subscriber. So if you're interested in signing up for Paper Pumpkin, go to my blog, a2zstamping.com, and at the bottom of each post it says sign up for Paper Pumpkin here, and it's very easy to do. So you can sign up for a month-to-month subscription. They just each month charge your credit card the $19.99. That includes shipping and everything, and it arrives at your house. It ships after the 12th of each month. So I usually get mine by about the 18th or 19th of the month. Or you can go to a2zstamping.stampinup.net and click on shop, and then under Paper Pumpkin you can purchase a 1-month subscription, a 3-month subscription, a 6-month subscription, and a 12-month subscription. And you do save a little bit of money on the 12-month and the 6-month. So what you do when you purchase that is you just buy it like you're buying a stamp set or something else, and then once you've bought it, they email you a code. With that code, then you go to my Paper Pumpkin site, you enter that in, and that gets you going. The nice thing about the prepaid, not only do you save some money on the 6-month and 12-month, but it's a perfect thing to gift to somebody, because once they send you the code, you can give that to someone as a gift, and you don't need to sign up right away. You can wait and sign up. One last thing about Paper Pumpkin is that you can suspend a month. So if you know, oh, I'm not going to have any time to do the kit in July, you can just go into your account and say, I'd like to suspend for a month, and they don't send you that month's kit, and there's no penalty or anything like that, and then it starts over again. You'll get the one after that. So I love Paper Pumpkin. I've been a subscriber since nearly the beginning, and I have no plans to cancel it anytime soon. I don't regret having it. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys again soon. Thanks. Bye.